Starting a PR Consulting LLC and looking to file online? You're in the right spot. Let's jump right into how you can make this happen. The world of public relations is dynamic, and having your own LLC can be a game changer. But where do you start? Filing online might sound a bit techy, but trust me, it's simpler than you think. You don't need to be a tech wizard or a legal expert to get your PR Consulting LLC up and running. Imagine it like this. You're setting the stage for your business, and everything is just a few clicks away. LegalRegistration.com is here to help you every step of the way. With our easy-to-use platform, you can file your LLC without the headaches that often come with paperwork. Our team is ready to give you the support you need. Now, why even form an LLC? It's all about protection and professionalism. As a PR consultant, your brand is everything. An LLC helps protect your personal assets and adds credibility to your business. Clients see you as more than just a freelancer. You're a legitimate company. Here's a little story for you. I once knew a PR consultant who didn't have an LLC. Things were going great until a client dispute popped up. Without the protection of an LLC, personal assets were at risk. It was a wake-up call, and they quickly formed an LLC through LegalRegistration.com. Peace of mind is priceless, right? In the world of business, especially in PR, appearances matter. Having that LLC after your business name can make all the difference. It shows you mean business and that you're serious about what you do. Another big plus? Tax flexibility. As an LLC owner, you can choose how you want your business to be taxed, whether as a sole proprietor, partnership, or corporation. This gives you more control over your income and potential savings come tax season. It's one of the smartest financial moves a PR professional can make. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the costs? Filing online with LegalRegistration.com is affordable. Plus, we handle all the heavy lifting, so you don't have to stress about missing any details. So, if you're ready to take your PR consulting business to the next level, hop over to LegalRegistration.com and start your filing process today. Visit us at LegalRegistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111 if you need any help. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and insights. Let's get your PR Consulting LLC off the ground.